In the last class, I have completed how to calculate mean deviation from median for discrete frequency distribution. Now I'll complete for mean and mode for discrete frequency distributions. Discrete frequency distributions. Okay, page number 161. Example 13. Question is find mean deviation from mean for the following distribution. Distribution means data given as height, inches, height in inches, number of persons, height in inches, number of persons, height in inches, data 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Frequencies 2, 1, 14, 29, 25, 12, 10, 4, 3. Solution. The given data is a discrete frequency distribution. First you have to calculate mean. For calculating mean, so in case of direct method, you better use direct method for calculating mean. So x values, f values, fx values. X values 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. 68 frequencies 2, 1, 14, 29, 25, 12, 10, 4, 3. So total frequency n, fx 60 into 2, 120, 61, then 868, 62 into 14. Similarly, next value 1827, then 1600, 780, 780, then 660, 268, 204. Total is summation of x. Total is 6388. 6388. So mean x bar equal to summation fx by n. Summation fx by n 6388 by n. N is frequency total is 100. So equal to 163.88. Now mean deviation for computing mean deviation, computing mean deviation from mean. For that table is x f, then x minus x bar modulus f into x minus x bar modulus. X values 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Frequencies 2, 1, 14, 29, 25, 12, 10, 4, 3. N equal to 100. N equal to 100. So in place of x bar 63.88 modulus. Now substitute all the x values in place of x. So 60 minus 63.88. So minus 3.88. Directly you can write as plus 3.88. Then 2.88. 1.88. 0.88. 0.88. 0.12. 1.12. 2.12. 3.12. 4.12. Multiplication. So if you f into x modulus of x minus x bar values 3. So 3.88 into 2. 3.88 into 2, 7.76. Next value 2.88. Then 26.32. 25.52. 3. Then next value is 13.44. 21.2. 12.48. 12.36. Total is, it is total, here summation f into modulus of x minus x bar equal to, total is 124.96. 124.96. Therefore, mean deviation from mean formula is summation modulus of f into modulus of x minus x bar by n equal to 124.96 by 100 equal 1.2496. Answer is 1.2496. Here asked only mean deviation from mean, not coefficient. If coefficient is asked, no, you can write the formula, you can substitute the value. You can substitute the value. So I think you understood the method. So for mean deviation from mean for a discrete frequency distribution, you can so combine both the tables as one table. That also correct. You can proceed that also. But here now for calculation one table, and for computing mean deviation another table I have completed according to the textbook. Now, so I'll complete the sum related to mode for discrete data. For the discrete data, next sum, page number 163. Example 15. Compute compute mean deviation from mode for the data given below. For the data given below, compute mean deviation from mode for the data given below. Data is x, f, x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequencies 18, 22, 35, 25, 20, 12, 2. So given data, class intervals are not there. Class intervals are not there. So solution, the given data is a discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. The given data is a discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. Therefore, so how to find mode? You can complete easily the value of x corresponding to highest frequency. So I'll complete in one table only x, f, then x minus z modulus, f into modulus of x minus z table. X values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and frequencies 18, 22, 35, 25, 20, 12, 2. Modulus of, so first z is for the discrete frequency distribution, the value of x corresponding to highest frequency highest frequency. So here see the frequency values, which is highest frequency 35, corresponding x value is mod z equal to 2. Then here in place of z substitute to modulus of x minus 2, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, absolute value plus 2, then 1 minus 2 plus 1, 0, 1, difference is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then f into 36, 22, 0, 25, 40, 36, 8, 119. Total value is 167. Total is 36, 22, 25, 40, 36, 8. Total is f. Modulus of f into modulus of x minus z equal to 160, 167. 167. Therefore, mean deviation from mode is equal to f into modulus of x minus z by n equal to 167 by n equal to total frequency. N equal to total frequency, it is 134. Find 134. So 134 value, answer is 1.246. 1.246. So here now it is the data related to discrete and mode, mean deviation from mode. It is the procedure. You can complete all the calculation in one table. Now I'll explain. For a continuous frequency distribution, how to calculate mean deviation. Mean deviation. So example 16. Example 16, page number 163. Sum is find mean deviation. Find mean deviation. Mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean. Mean for the following data. For the following data. Data is textbook given as difference. Just I'll write as years. Difference in years. Years. Then frequency. Years 0 to 2. 2 to 4. 4 to 6. 6 to 8. 8 to 10. 10 to 12. Frequencies 220, 345, 452, 280, 63, 10. So given data is a continuous frequency distribution. First you should find the mean. Solution. solution. To find mean, formula is, so class interval, frequency, x, fx. To find mean, we need fx total and f total. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. Frequencies 220, 345, 452, 280, 63, 10. Total frequency is 1370. 1370. X values midpoints 0 plus 2 by 2 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Fx value is 220. First value is 220, then 1035. 345 into 3. Use calculator. 2260, 1960, 567, 567, then 110. It is summation fx value equal to 6152. 6152. So x bar equal to summation fx by n equal to 6152 by 1370 equal to 4.49 years. 4.49 years. 4.49 years. Now to compute mean deviation, again frame the table, class interval, frequency, then midpoint, x minus x bar modulus, f into x minus x bar modulus. In the same table also you can complete. So you can attach some more columns for the first table. Class intervals 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. Frequencies 220, 345, 452, 280, 63, 10. N equal to 1370, midpoints 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. X minus X bar 4.49 modulus. So X is 1, 3.49 minus 3.49, right as plus 3.49. Then 1.49. Then 5 minus 0.51. Then 2.51, 4.51, 6.51. Values are 6.51. 4.51, 6.51. Then by multiplying absolute deviations with f, you will get first value. Here 3.49 into 220 is 767.8. 767.51, 4.05, 230.52, 702.8, 284.13, 65.1. Total is 2564.4. It is summation f into modulus of x minus x bar value, and n value is there. Therefore, mean deviation from mean formula summation modulus of f into modulus of x minus x bar by n equal to 2564.4 by 1370 equal to 1.872. Answer is 1.872. So you can complete in one table or two tables. First find mean, then again frame the table, class interval frequency x no same, then deviations, absolute deviations, then multiplying with the corresponding frequencies, it is the total summation f into modulus of x minus x bar. For substitute by substituting in the formula you will get the answer 1.872. So, if cumulative frequencies are given, you know how to convert into a simple frequency distribution. Based on that, example example 17, example 17, page number in the textbook, page number 164. Sum is given as compute compute coefficient of compute coefficient of mean deviation coefficient of mean deviation from median for the following distribution for the following distribution for the following distribution marks number of students given as marks number of students marks below 10 below 20 below 30 below 40 below 50 below 50 frequencies 3 8 17 20 25 25 solution. So here you have to calculate mean deviation from median for that, and also the given data is an LCF distribution. First, the given data is a LCF distribution. LCF distribution less than cumulative frequency distribution. First, it should be converted. It should be it should be converted. It should be converted as a simple frequency distribution. Simple frequency distribution. It should be converted as a simple frequency distribution. For that first column is marks write as class intervals, and here given values are LCF values, and we need frequencies from that. Then from this you can find the mean. So for mean deviation we need modulus of x minus m and f into modulus of x minus m. Class intervals below 10, below 20, difference is 10 only. So we can assume first class interval as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. LCF value is 3, 8, 17, 20, 25. So here how to convert into less than 23. So less than 10, 3. Below 10 is 3. Below 20 is 8. Between 0 and 10 is 3 only. Then 8 minus 3 equal to 5. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 20 minus 17, 3. 25 minus 20, 5. 17, total again 25. It should be equal to 25. N is 25. Last LCF should be equal to N. Then you go for the median calculation. In case of continuous data, how to find median? Median M equal to L plus N by 2 minus N by 2 minus CF by F into C. L plus. So first find the factor N by 2. So N by 2 is 25 by 2 equal to 12.5th observation will be the median. 12.5th observation. See the 12.5th observation lies in the LCF 17. So it will be the median class. It will be the median class. Median class. So which is M equal to, so median class, once you decided median class from the table median M equal to, so L is lower limit of the median class 20 plus N by 2 is 12.5 minus CF previous class frequency by F 17 into C width of the class interval is 10 equal to 20 plus 12, 7.5 into 10 by 17 equal to 20 plus 75 by 17 equal to 20 plus here no, sorry, here mistake is LCF previous class LCF, it will be CF minus 8 minus 8. So 12.5 minus 8 is 4.5. So 45 by 17. 45 by 17 is, final answer is 2.65. It is 2.65. 22.65 is the median. So median is 22.65. So in place x minus 22.65. So x values are not at it. X values you have to write x values f into modulus of x minus m. One more column you should write here itself x values. X values are 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. 45. So x minus m, 5 minus 22.65 is 17.65. Here 17.65, then 7.65, then 2.35, 12.35, then 22.35. Then f into modulus of x minus median. So 17.65 into 3, values are 52.95, 38.25, 21.15, 37.05. So here 12.35 into 3. So 37.05, 2.35 into 9. Values 111.75. Total is 261.15. It is modulus of f into modulus of x minus m. Therefore, mean deviation from median, I'll complete here. So mean deviation from median is equal to summation f into x minus m modulus by n equal to value 261.15 by n. N is 25 is equal to 10.416. 416. Coefficient is coefficient of mean deviation from median is equal to mean deviation from median by median, which is equal to 10.416 by median is 22.65. So final answer is 0.462. So here, so I have written x value at the end. You can write here itself after class interval frequency, leave the space and write the x values. Or you can use the two tables. Find mean, then complete the mean deviation table. So find median, for median one table, for remaining calculation another table. See the textbook and follow that. With the same procedure, so I have explained quartile deviation, mean deviation and range. You can do some more sums. You practice the exercise sums. Page number 183, page number 183, 184. Page number 183, 184. Problems, page number 183, 184. Pages. Practice the sums. Whatever I have explained now, based on this you practice it, so you will get the textbook answer. You see the answers are given in the textbook. 4, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 13, 12, 13, no? And then you practice remaining sums. First complete these sums and see the answers, and any twisted question like this, questions are there, no? You convert into a simple frequency distribution and apply the procedure.